Today, bring you an incredible trick that will turn your tomatoes into a real fruit-bearing machine. I know, all of us who love the garden know how difficult it is to get that perfect, juicy, red tomato that smells like summer. And often, despite the effort, watering and feeding, the result is not quite what we expected. That's why today I want to take you through something special, a simple secret that can make a big difference. And everything you need is probably already in your kitchen. And you friends, subscribe to our channel and press the bell to be notified of every new video. Thank you for that. Before I reveal what it's all about, I'd like you to write to me in the comments how many tomatoes have you already picked this year, and are you satisfied with the crop? Your answers can help other gardeners understand where we most often make mistakes and what we can improve. Now, imagine your garden. The sun gently shines on the rows of tomatoes. The leaves rustle gently in the breeze. And you walk between the rows and imagine the abundance of fruits that you will harvest. But plants, just like us, have their phases when they need extra energy. We can water them and care for them, but sometimes they need a special spark to get them to give their best. What is interesting is that this method does not contain any chemicals, does not require any expensive preparations, and is completely natural. Many gardeners around the world have used it and swear by the results. And no, we are not talking about some miracle pills or rare minerals. Get ready, because the secret is so simple that it will make you laugh. All you need to do is bury 1 tablespoon of dry yeast next to each tomato plant. Yes, the regular yeast that you use to make bread. Yeast contains minerals, vitamins, and microorganisms that nourish the roots, stimulate growth, and strengthen the plant's resistance. And when the root gets that extra energy, the plant pays you back with an abundance of juicy, delicious fruits. Try this trick, and after a few weeks, you will notice that the plants are more lush. The leaves are greener, and the fruits are formed faster. Friends, share this video with your friends on social networks. Thank you.